Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're changing cabin air filter in 2023 Audi Q7 Prestige. The cabin air filter is located on the passenger side behind the glove box. So here we're gonna go under and take that little cover off. Here you can see the filter, it's located in that box. There are some clips in the back and on the front. So just pull them down gently. I missed the one on the side here, so here it is. And that will give you access to the filter. This is original Audi filter. Slide it out and get a new one in. Make sure you pay attention to the airflow. So the airflow should be from the front of the car towards the back. Slide it in there, put the cover back on, just snaps in, make sure you get it straight and push it up. And then put that little foam cover back on with the pins. And you're all done. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.